A very good morning. I am Pratibha Patel, Assistant Professor in Smriti College of Pharmaceutical Education, Indore. In previous lecture, we have already discussed about angina pectoris and classification of anti-anginal agents. Now, we are going to start structures of anti-anginal agents. So, first category is organic nitrates. So, these are the structure of organic nitrates drugs. First one is amyl nitrates. Amyl nitrate having only one nitro compounds. In case of isosorbide dinitrate, so dinitrate means two nitro groups are present in the structure, and nitroglycerin have three nitro compounds in the structure, and last one is pentaerythritol tetranitrate. So tetranitrate means four nitro compound in the structures. Organic nitrate are esters of simple organic alcohols or polyols with nitric acid. This class is usually referred to as organic nitrate because all of these agents except amyl nitrite are nitrite esters. The drug nitroglycerin is not really a nitro compound because nitro compound means nitro group attached to the carbon atom. In this structure, we can see the mechanism of action of nitrodilators or nitrates and calcium channel blockers. So first we start mechanism of action of organic nitrates. Organic nitrates are rapidly denitrated enzymatically in smooth muscles to release the reactive free radical, that is NO, nitric oxide, which activate guanyl cyclase enzyme, which is responsible for the production of cyclic GMP from GTP. So due to the activation of guanyl cyclase enzyme increase the production of cyclic GMP. So this cyclic GMP cause dephosphorylation of myosin light chain kinase through cyclic GMP dependent protein kinase. Reduced availability of phosphorylated MLCK interfere with interact with myosin phosphate with actin to cause contraction. नाइट्रोडायलेटर्स जैसे ही स्मूथ मसल्स में एंटर करते हैं ये डीनाइट्रेटेड फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट हो जाते हैं, दैट इज NO नाइट्रिक ऑक्साइड. नाइट्रिक ऑक्साइड यहाँ पर जो एंजाइम प्रेजेंट है जो कि रिस्पॉन्सिबल है जीटीपी से साइक्लिक जीएमपी के प्रोडक्शन के लिए, दैट इज गोनाइल साइक्लेज एंजाइम, उसको एक्टिवेट कर देती है जिससे साइक्लिक जीएमपी का प्रोडक्शन बढ़ जाता है. साइक्लिक जीएमपी का प्रोडक्शन बढ़ेगा तो ये क्या करेगा, ये मायोसिन लाइट चेन काइनेज के फॉस्फोराइलेशन को इनहिबिट करेगा. तो एमएलसी का फॉस्फेट एमएलसी के फॉस्फेट नहीं बन पाएगा. एमएलसी के फॉस्फेट रिस्पॉन्सिबल होता है मायोसिन के फॉस्फोराइलेशन के लिए. अब जब ये एमएलसी के का फॉस्फोराइलेटेड फॉर्म ही नहीं बना तो मायोसिन फॉस्फेट भी नहीं बन पाएगा. तो मायोसिन फॉस्फेट एक्टिन के साथ इंटरेक्ट नहीं कर पाएगी जिससे कॉन्ट्रैक्शन नहीं होगा, इट मीन्स रिलैक्सेशन होगा. SAR of organic nitrates. So potency of organic nitrates depend upon the number of nitrate groups. Increase the number of nitrate groups, so increase the potency of organic nitrates. Increase in lyophility due to esterification of the free OH group in isosorbide mononitrates had no major influence on guanyl cyclase activation. Next, calcium channel blockers. So calcium channel blockers, which blocks the calcium channels. So calcium channels are divided into three types: L type, T type and N type. L type is long lasting current. It present in the cardiac and smooth muscles. So this type of calcium channel blockers block L type of calcium channels. So calcium channel blockers lower the BP and treat other conditions such as chest pain and irregular heartbeat. Calcium channel blockers lower your BP by preventing calcium from entering the cell. These are the structures of calcium channel blockers. Calcium channel blockers are divided into two categories. First one is dihydropyridine and second one is non-dihydropyridine. So these are the subcategory of non-dihydropyridine. So first one is dihydropyridine, amlodipine, nifedipine, nimodipine, nicardipine and felodipine. These drugs are under the category of dihydropyridine. And second category is non-dihydropyridine. Subcategory is phenylalkylamine, benzothiazepine and non-selective or diaryl aminopropylamine. So drug of phenylalkylamine is verapamil, benzothiazepine drug is diltiazem and diaryl aminopropylamine or non-selective bipridil. Next, mechanism of action of calcium channel blockers. So in this structure we can see mechanism of action of calcium channel blockers. So calcium are entered into the smooth muscle through the L type of calcium channel and interact with calmodulin, which is responsible for the phosphorylation of myosin. So due to the phosphorylation of myosin, it interact with actin and produce contraction. ये जो है ये आपका L टाइप कैल्शियम चैनल है, यहाँ से कैल्शियम है एंटर करता है और ये आके काल्मोड्यूलिन के साथ इंटरेक्ट करता है जो कि रिस्पॉन्सिबल होता है मायोसिन के फॉस्फोराइलेशन के लिए। तो जब ये कैल्शियम काल्मोड्यूलिन से इंटरेक्ट करेगा तो मायोसिन का फॉस्फोराइलेशन इंक्रीज हो जाएगा, ये इसका अमाउंट इंक्रीज होगा तो एक्टिन से ज़्यादा इंटरेक्ट करेगा और कॉन्ट्रैक्शन बढ़ाएगा। इस पूरी प्रोसेस को ब्लॉक करता है कैल्शियम चैनल ब्लॉकर। तो जब ये पूरी प्रोसेस ब्लॉक होगी तो क्या होगा, मायोसिन का फॉस्फोराइलेशन नहीं होगा तो मायोसिन फॉस्फेट नहीं बनेगा और ये एक्टिन के साथ इंटरेक्ट नहीं हो पाएगा जिससे कि कॉन्ट्रैक्शन नहीं होगा, इट मींस रिलैक्सेशन होगा। ये था मैकेनिज्म ऑफ एक्शन ऑफ कैल्शियम चैनल ब्लॉकर्स। ओके, दिस इज अ समरी ऑफ कैल्शियम चैनल ब्लॉकर mechanism of action. Calcium channel blockers block L-type calcium channels, decrease calcium current and calcium entry into the cardiac and vascular smooth muscles. So, decrease the heart rate, decrease cardiac contractility, decrease conduction and vascular smooth muscle relaxation. Now, SAR of calcium channel blockers. This is a general structure of calcium channel blockers. This ring is dihydropyridine. Okay, so a substituted phenyl ring at C4 position optimize activity. C4 position, numbering start from this nitrogen atom. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Fourth position is this. So a substituted phenyl ring at C4 position optimize activity. Heteroaromatic rings such as pyridine produce similar therapeutic effect but are not used because of observed animal toxicity. Okay, at C4 substitution with a small non-planar alkyl or cycloalkyl group decrease the activity. At C4 position, substitution of non-planar alkyl or cycloalkyl group decreases the activity. Third point is phenyl ring substitution X. This one X is important. Ortho and meta substitution at phenyl ring possesses optimal activity. Ortho, meta and para. So ortho and meta substitution at phenyl ring possesses optimal activity. whereas those compounds containing unsubstituted or that contain para substitution at phenyl ring decreases the activity. Either unsubstituted or substitution at para position decreases the activity. Next point is 1,4-dihydropyridine ring is essential for activity. So this ring is dihydropyridine is essential for activity. Substitution at the N1 position or the use of oxidized ring piperidine or reduced pyridine ring system greatly decrease or abolish the एक्टिविटी. यदि इन दोनों रिंग का सब्स्टिट्यूशन हम N1 पोजीशन पर करते हैं, दिस वन N1 पोजीशन पर करते हैं, तो एक्टिविटी या तो डिक्रीज हो जाएगी या कंप्लीटली अबॉलिश हो जाएगी. ईस्टर ग्रुप एट द C3 एंड C5 पोजीशन ऑप्टिमाइज एक्टिविटी. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. So at C3 and C5. C3 and C5. R2 and R3 है ना. यदि ईस्टर ग्रुप R2 एंड R3 पोजीशन पर आता है तो ऑप्टिमाइज एक्टिविटी होगी. अदर इलेक्ट्रॉन विड्रॉइंग ग्रुप शो डिक्रीज एंटागोनिस्ट एक्टिविटी and may even show agonist activity. For example, replacement of C3 ester of isradipine with nitro group produce a agonist activity. Now, structure of dipyridamole under the category of miscellaneous or other. This is a structure of dipyridamole. Dipyridamole cause long-acting and selective coronary vasodilation by inhibition of adenosine uptake by the RBC and vasculature. It also inhibits platelet aggregation. Adenosine is natural vasodilatory substance released by myocardium. Inhibition of its uptake is therefore believed to prolong vasodilatory effect. Next, synthesis of nitroglycerin. Nitroglycerin mainly synthesized by glycerol, that is glycerol. Glycerol undergo the nitration reaction. It means react with nitric acid in the presence of sulfuric acid. Here we take 3 molecules of nitric acid and finally we get nitroglycerin. Okay, so एंटी एंजाइना आपका कंप्लीट होता है. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक will be covered in next lecture. Okay, thank you.